What's crack-a-lackin'? My name's Josh Lopez. I'm one of the founding members at Memberstack, and today we're going to make a custom profile modal and a profile page using Memberstack in Webflow. All right, let's do this. This is going to be dirty, and I have it really prepared, and it's going to be fun. And the only thing I have to go off of is this piece of paper right here. I wanted to give myself a little bit of challenge and see how it goes. Okay, dokie. First thing, what we're going to use as a base on this thing is Hatch from Flamingo. Mackenzie Child, it is amazing. Love his stuff. So here's Hatch. We're going to be cloning this, and this is going to give us like a starting point to do things quickly. All right, so I'm going to create this. This is going to be profile example. I'm going to create this. Wait for Webflow to go. Hope you're having a great day. And yes, it did it. So excited. All right. So now what I need to do real fast is to add this to the Memberstack team account instead of my personal one. You gotta save money, right? All right. So let me do that. And you can't see what I'm doing right now because I didn't switch over. That's fun. So I'll just do that right now. And get this all done and set up. 1 second. And I'll show you everything as soon as I'm done. All right, dashboard, personal projects, click on settings. I'm going to transfer this over to the team, then go into the team account, and then find it, profile example, move to folder, Josh's Scratchpad, move, and go in my Scratchpad, go to here, and now you can see my screen. Yes! All right, so I just added it to the Memberstack team account. Let me get out of here, move this over. All right, so like I was saying, here's Flamingo, Mackenzie Child. He's amazing. And then I clicked on Hatch, and then I cloned it. Just click on this button and it clones, it gets everything going, and then you're set to go. Now I can get out of this, I can get out of this. All right, let's do this. I also have created a Memberstack account. You know what? Let's do this from scratch. Let's do it. All right, so I had that one, but let me do another one. Webflow we're using. Profile final. We're not going to accept payments. We're going to go here. All right, first thing we need to do is make a membership. So we're going to do that. And this is going to be a free plan. Free, boom, done that. All right, page after, it's going to be profile. Page after login is also going to be profile. We haven't made this page yet, so it's going to error out, but we will. So we'll get there. I'm just a little bit ahead. I just know what we're going to be doing. All right, so log out. Let's do log out to the home page. I believe that's going to work. All right, so now we have our first plan. Let's look at our members. We don't have any members, so we need to create a member and maybe a form. So in the members thing, we're going to create a let's do a first name. Save that. All right, so we got the first name. Let's do location. And then bio. Whoa. Bio. To get some information about our members. And then we're going to do a image URL. Memberstack can't handle like images itself, but it can save like an image URL that you can use later. So we're going to play around with that and see how it goes. All right, So we got all these. The only thing that we want to show in here, let me close this. In the sign up modal is the first name. That's all I want in there. So let me go in here and we're gonna hide this, and we're gonna hide this. All right. Now we got that. Boom, boom, boom. We got most of everything ready. Now we need to install Memberstack into Webflow. So let's do that. Let's get this install code. Copy. This usually takes 15 hours at least to install Memberstack into Webflow. I'm just kidding. It's actually really quick, but I'm going to publish this real fast just because habits. Project settings. Then we're going to go to custom code. In the header, we're going to paste that. Boom. Boom shakalaka. Memberstack is attached to Webflow, our Webflow site now. Yay! Now we can start having some fun and making things work. So let's make this into a login, sign up. Let's do this one as a profile. Let's create another one as a logout link. Boom, and then make this like that, and we do log out. My double click isn't working. All right, and now what we want to do is we go on attach these to Memberstack. So let's do that real fast, and that's going to be here, and then links. And then we're going to do a login. Log in. We don't need new tab. Boom. All right. So there we go. Let's publish this. I'm not going to log in yet. I just want to see if it works. See if we're attached to our Memberstack account. All right. Open this. Drum roll. Okay. Sweet. See? We've done it. Congratulations. This is amazing. Okay. You are amazing. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Okay, now we need log out. Let's do this real fast. That's supposed to be log out, not log in. All right, I'm a dork. This is gonna be like this. We don't need this. Boom. That's gonna be log out. Now we're gonna want to need a sign up. So let's do memberships. Sign up link. Copy this. This has a little number and it'll associate to this. So if you have multiple things, you can assign those buttons to the specific membership you have. So let's do that. Sign up. We only have one thing, so I'm just going to use this for the sign up here. Boom. Publish. Let's see if this works. Go. Go. 3 dots. Yay. All right. I'm going to do this. Let's get rid of this right here. And then do a hard refresh just in case. That's Control-Shift-R. On a Mac, it's Command-Shift-R, I believe, and Chrome. I don't know about anything else. Chrome's the best. That's what I use. Okay. Login, working. Sign up, working. Yes. Success. All right. We got a first name. We got an email. We got a password. All right. First name is going to be Bob, and then Bob at barker.com. Whoa. My hands are a little bit cold today because I'm really nervous. Bob Barker. Let's sign up. Okay, so this takes us to the profile page. We haven't made this yet. So seeing this 404 page, not a concern of mine right now. So what we can do is just go here, and we're logged in. We can test that by going into the console, Memberstack, enter, is authenticated, if is authenticated is true. And we can see my information right here, email, first name, and my Memberstack member ID. Okay, so we are logged in. It's working. Yes, success. All right, so let's get rid of all this random stuff in here because we don't need it. So let's get rid of this. something here. All right, now what we can do is, so I just removed all the clutter here. Actually, let me do this real fast because I want to change this on the next page, and I want it to change everywhere that it's at. So let's make this a thing in here. Boom, a symbol, and then this is gonna be nav. Now, whenever I change this, it's gonna change everywhere else. And I can go in here. I can go here, duplicate this. This is gonna be profile. And you can hear the dogs going out the doggy door. Profile, create, yes. Now, when I do this, and I go to page, profile, open in this tab, now this will be changed on the home page as well. And this is gonna be hello, and then we're gonna put like their name in here. And this is gonna be the bio. Okay, so let's do this, like hello. Yeah, let's add a div here. I'm trying to think of how to do this quickly and easily so you can follow along. Whoa, hello there. T-H-E-I-R? T-H-E-R-E? Like, I don't know. I have no clue what I'm doing. Okay, so we're gonna do a flex here. Flex line center, yes, winning. And then we're gonna do a margin right here because we're gonna like fake a space there because Webflow won't let me just add a space in there. It keeps on removing. So margin right 3. Yes. All right. So this one right here is going to be our first name. So let's go ahead and get that. Yes. Okay. First name. We're going to use these data attributes right here. Copy this. Go here. This is the custom attribute. And then copy that one. Save that. And we're good to go. Now, when we publish this, it should say our name. While this is publishing, let me go here and make sure that you guys can hear me. Okay, sounds good. Molly says it sounds good. Hello, Molly. Hello, everybody else. All right, so let's hard refresh this. And it looks like we're still logged in because we can see the log out. But let's make sure. Is true. First name is Bob. Boom. Yes. Hello, Bob. Yay! This feels so good to get things working and working good. All right, so that's something. Hello, Bob. Let's add the bio here. And let's do here, like bio here, and go in here. Let's do this. Copy this one. This is how easy it is to like add this stuff from Memberstack, and this part is secure. So add here. Boom. I should have just remembered bio. It's only 3 letters. Josh, what are you doing with your life? All right, so that's that. Got that, boom, boom. Now we need, we got the sign up, we got the login, we got the log out, I believe, right? Yeah. Yep. Okay, so now we need to be able to access this bio because I didn't add this in the sign up form that we did. So how are we gonna update this? Let's see here. I got an idea. Okay, so there's Hatch that I showed you by Mackenzie. He's amazing, and Flamingo. But there's also the Digital Bake, and I've been using Digital Bake since it came out. They have a lot of cool things that you can just copy and paste into your websites. Makes things so much faster. A little secret. All right, let me clone this, get it into the Memberstack team account again, and go from there. So I will go to just chatting, where you can just see me, clone this, create the project, modal, boom, waiting for Webflow to go. Come on. Alrighty. Now we can go back here, and you should be able to see me. All right, let's publish this, and I can kind of show you what this looks like. Right, hit this, that comes. This is gonna be cool for our little modal. We'll put a form in here, just like my example, and we'll be good to go. All right, so now we can go back here, copy this, paste. Is it going to work? It worked this time. I'm so excited. Okay, boom. We don't need this. Boom. And here's this one. So how are we going to do this? Let's just publish this and see what happens, because it's attached to what are these called? Interactions? Yes, it's attached to interactions. So okay, I got it. Later, Gator. Go down. Okay, sweet, it's working. Yay! Now I have to get this up in here, and let's see if we can do that. All right, small print. What transaction is this? Mouse click, tap, button trigger. Edit profile. Boom. I'm just gonna see if this works. I don't know if this is gonna work, by the way. But what was that? Second? Yeah, it was the second one. Boom, button trigger. Okay. Boom. Second. Start animation, button trigger, and was I missing anything in here? Yeah, it looks like element, boom, boom, boom. Let's just test this. Let's see what happens. I don't know. All right, now we're gonna try to hard refresh this. Click here. Oh, it goes down to that one. Okay. That's fun. Okay. We're gonna do this. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out together. So flex body. How is this being done in here? Let's double click this. This is going to DB show tab. Show tab. But is this by, okay, selected element, selected element, selected element. Okay, so nothing's by class, so that's good. All right. Is this attached to, that's why, okay. And I think this is a div anyways. So let's, I wonder if I can take this out and put it in here. Oh, not that one. Back. This one. Boom. Let's test this out. I don't know. We'll figure it out. And yes. Go up here, refresh. Okay, it's not working. Okay, no problem. We'll figure this out. I can get rid of this. Edit profile. This also doesn't need to be 100%. Okay, cursor, pointer, Okay. Do that. I should fix that. Okay, now we need to figure out how we can get this in here. This flex body. You know what? Maybe it is working, but it's down here. Oh. Well, that's broken now too, so we'll figure it out. Yep, broken. All right, that's fine. What we can do is this can be yes. Okay. So we're just gonna start from scratch. Pop up modal overlay, profile, modal. Yeah, overlay. Boom. All right, that is here. Now we can do this, and we can make this a position absolute. Go all over. There we go. This modal closers up here now. Yeah, let's do this. So we can easily see it. Let's add a background. Do that and that, and then that nav bar. Oh, this background needs to be have an index of 999, so it's over the nav bar, but it's not. So let's go in here and figure that out. Relative. Boom. Okay. Well, I don't want 1. Let's do like, whoa, let's do 20, just so in case layering issues. All right, cool. There we go. Now I can remove this button, I believe. Modal wrapper. Okay, so we got the overlay, we got the modal close, we got the button. What's in here? We want to have the modal here. Boom. Do we want to close it? I don't know. This is usually for when you click on outside of the modal, but I'm just going to remove that for now. Remove the modal wrapper. We can remove this button now. DB. What is this? What is this? I don't know what that is. Digital pic. Okay, got it. Okay, so we got an overlay, modal closer. We got the modal. All right. Now let's just start adding stuff in here. What we want in here. Let's name this like edit profile. And then here we can get rid of this. We can get rid of this. We can add a form here. Boom. This is going to be first name. This is going to be location. Then we can copy this, paste this a few more times. Location, bio, image, okay. And then we can do here, copy this. I did that one too many times, but we'll fix it in a second. Okay, so first name, location, this is going to be bio, and this is going to be image URL. But we need to remove this one because we want it to be a big a big text area. Oh my goodness, the words, they just escape me. Words are hard, people. Words are hard. That can be down here. All right. So now what we can do, you got the first name, boom, boom, boom. All right, let's make that submit. Let's just go ahead and like get this form working with Memberstack. All right, to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to go to attributes this time in here, and we're going to memberships login, update member data, MS data, and then MS data profile. That's what we need right here. All right, so now what we need to do is go to this form right here. We're going to add an attribute. We're gonna get this into here like that and save it. Now this form is attached to Webflow or Memberstack. Oh my goodness, told you. It's craziness. And then we're gonna do data MS member field IDs for the fields, which should be all in here. So boom, boom, first name, and then this location, right, that's location. Then there's the bio, see, I remember this time. And then the image URL. Copy this, paste this, and get that. Boom. Okay. So this should all be working. Let me go through here and make sure that like the labels and everything's in here. So this is going to be first name. I just like to do this to keep everything clean. This is going to be location. Type is plain. This has to be plain as well. Oh, no, it's already there. Okay, and this is going to be bio. Whoa. Okay, bio. That's good. And then this is going to be image URL, and plain. All right, double check. Ta-da! All right, let's publish this and test it out. While that's publishing, I'm gonna check my computer. All right, I don't see anything from Molly saying Mayday, so that's good. Okay, and now we're gonna check it. All right, so see how it already populated with Bob in here because Bob's my name. According to my Memberstack member data. Bob. All right. So let's do this. Let's do location. Let's do Bend, Oregon. Let's do bio. What should I do for a bio? I love Oregon. Yay. And then image URL. What should we do for an image URL? Let's go to Webflow. No, if I go to Webflow, it's going to be automatically log me in and use that. Let's do, yes, let's go to Mackenzie's Child's Flamingo. And let's just use, Mackenzie, I hope you don't get upset about this, but this is just for testing purposes. So you guys, don't use other people's stuff. We all know that. But in this case, I'm just throwing it out there just to see if this works. All right, let's gonna submit this profile updated. Yes, it worked, y'all. It worked. Let's go to members. Let's see if this works. And look at this. Our member data is in this. So exciting. So exciting. Let's just make sure. Let's see it in here. Bob, Bend, Oregon. I love Oregon. Yay. And then the image URL here. So, all right. Good. We're doing good, y'all. We're doing good. Okay. So now we got that in there. Oh, you know what? Check this out. When this updated, this also updated here. That's pretty cool. All right, so let's fix this modal overlay, all that fun stuff. Okay, so modal. Let's do this. Let's make this a flex instead of that. Boom, make that in the middle. Is this okay? This I didn't add that, so let's do this and let's heading large. Whoa, that's big. All right, let's use it though. Edit profile. Yeah, we got that up here because I believe this. The reason why I just put this in a flex box, the reason why it's up there, I believe it's because this is position absolute fixed. Yeah, boom. Ta-da! Actually, should I put the other one as fixed? Yeah, we probably should. We should probably do that. Boom. All right. And now we need to get this working. Now I am a little bit rusty at this. Actually, let's publish this. See if this is even working right here. This exit. Boom. Oh, that is working. Sweet. Now we just need to edit it. So let's go to the modal closer. Let's edit this interaction. I believe that's what it's called. I'm rusty, like I told you. Interaction, okay, so what's going on here? Modal wrapper, hide show. Oh, say, see, modal closer, bot background. We don't need this, we don't need this. Bot background, because we deleted over here, so we don't need those. I'm just trying to clean this up a little bit. Modal wrapper is supposed to be the overlay that we did. So we need to rename this one. How did I do that in the past? Okay, so change target, and we're going to try to use the modal overlay, I believe. Boom. Okay, so modal overlay. Show modal. That's all working. What I'm doing is I'm looking over here and seeing if these turn blue. If they don't turn blue, then it can't find it. So that's what I'm doing when I'm looking over there. Modal wrapper, change target. Let's do modal overlay. Boom. All right. And publish this. And I didn't really go into any of these settings yet. I'm just trying to make sure everything's connected. Okay, looks like that's not working, but I think this is going to be okay. So hide show. Only parents with this class. I think that's why. Oh, boom. Let's do, should I do selected element here? I'll just leave it as class for now. Class, all elements with this class. Yep, okay. All elements with this class. Only children. Let's do all elements with this class. Okay. And There's other ways to do this. I'm just trying to get this to work. So let me do this. See if this works. Crossing my fingers. Don't make me cry. All right. That's for the modal closer. Let's do the modal overlay. What's in here? Click, tap. There's none in here. Why do we have this? I don't know why that's in there. Let's just remove it. YOLO. Okay. So we got the modal closer. Let's do the button. So when we hit this button, we're going to hide mobile. Now, no. We're going to open the modal. All right. Let's just add a new one. Open modal. Boom. All right. So what do we need to have happen here? We need to show this thing. So yeah. So we need to show. There's so many ways you can do this. You can do it by opacity, or you can do show hide. Let's do show hide. But we're gonna change this to this overlay. Class. All elements with this class. Yep. Okay. Boom. We're gonna also set initial state to hidden. I haven't done this in a long time, so forgive me if I'm doing this wrong. And then we're going to show hide this as a not, and then after previous action, boom, boom, boom. What is it? Show hide does not have a value applied. Oh, yeah, I need to do this. Boom. All right. Okay, so it's showing, and then we also want to do the opacity, and we're going to start this with a 0. Boom. That's hidden. Yep. Okay. Opacity, and then we're going to opacity this with that opacity of 1. Ta-da. All right. What's this now? Does it have an action applied to it? What? Elements with the previous custom should. Where's the delay this way? I used the delay instead of this thing. Okay, cool. Now, when I touch that, that should go. Let's just test this real fast. While that's doing that, I'm gonna check out Molly. No Mayday. Okay, she said no Mayday. Molly's amazing. Okay, so boom, touch this. Maybe it's hidden by. Where is it? What's going on here? What's going on here? Okay, modal transform opacity 0. Okay. Opacity 0, opacity 100. Interesting. Delay, duration. I didn't save it. That should be click 2, but whatever. All right, let's do this. Go back here. Still opacity 0. What? You guys are probably yelling at me, saying, "Hey, you're doing this wrong." And I'm like, "What?" I can't hear you. Open modal. Oh, you know why? I'm a dork. All right. So this is the modal overlay I'm attached to right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the modal itself. So let's click on this. Let's do this. Let's do opacity. Start this off at 0. And then that's the initial state. So boom. And then we're going to opacity. Where's opacity? Now I'm just like going cross-eyed over here. And then opacity this. And then we're going to move this down here like that. And play this. Save this first. Publish it. We can breathe. Let's try this out again. And take a drink of some coffee. This coffee is amazing. And edit profile. Yay! We're doing it, you guys. We're doing it. Let's see if this still works though. Let's do Bobby. Save. Hey, look at that. It changed to Bobby. Cool beans. All right, now let's get the modal closer to show up in this thing. So button 2, go here, because I didn't see the modal closer here. It's gone, it's missing, you guys. We're gonna have to fix that. Okay, so modal closer. We're going to, is this off by default? I'm not sure. Maybe I should look into it. I don't know. Hidden by initial. And then we're going to show hide. And what was that? I think it's a block element, I believe. Do that. Okay. And then we're going to also do a opacity. And I'm going to start that as 0. Boom. And then opacity again. I need to start watching Nelson more. Nelson's so fast at this stuff. All right. Okay, so that should work now. And we haven't made it all fancy. We're just showing hiding and opacity stuff. But you can get in depth as much as you want here. Okay, boom. It's magic. Okay, but we see this now. So let's work on that. Modal. Say that. All right. The modal closer. Button trigger. No. That's not a good name for that. Let's rename this to oh my goodness. Okay, rename this to close modal. That sounds like a good plan. Close modal, and then we're going to go in here and we're going to figure out how to remove all the things. See? Nothing's attached to it anymore. Okay, so we need to do opacity on this. Here, let's just start from scratch, y'all. Start from scratch, y'all. Okay, starting from scratch. We're in here. Let's make this fade out first. Let's go here. Modal, opacity, and then class modal, only siblings, no, all, boom, opacity 0. Okay. That's gonna fade out like that. Okay. And then we're going to do this, and we're going to fade out that as well. Opacity. Boom. That's good. No. What? Class. All elements. Boom. All right. Let's do that with that. Okay, so that's like this. Now we need to show, do the opacity on the overlay. Opacity on the overlay. Only parents, no, all. Okay. And then 0. Okay. So the way I have it set up right now, this is still going to be able to be clickable like this. So see how you can see this? It's still going to be clickable and it's still going to be there. So now we need to hide this one. So let's hide this. And boom. See, now all that form stuff is gone. So it's going to be like that. Let's save this first. Save. What? That's weird. Let's make sure. Okay. Whew. And then publish this. Let's see if it works. I have a feeling it's not going to work because of the way I did it, but we're going to test it out. Refresh this. Do this. Hide this. Oh, I can't click on it. Did we do it? Did we actually do it? Y'all. Fan. Now let's test this again. I'm moving. In with you. Okay, Grammarly. I know my grammar sucks, but come on. Yeah, see, I'm moving in with you. We can close this now. Boom. On a perfect one, you would make this clickable, and then you click on this and it would go away too. But we're in a time crunch, so we're just going to do it like that. So what have we accomplished? Sign up, log in, test the log out, profile. Let's hide the profile. Let's do that. Yeah, sounds like a great plan. So let's go to memberships, because we don't want to show that profile if you're not logged in, because that's just pointless. So let's hide that. Let's just hidden content. Yeah, hidden content. Yes. Profile. I might put like child pages inside the profile. So let's just starts with for now. The Unite page is going to be the home page. I believe this can be, yeah, set to the home page. Okay. Let's create that. And then we're gonna, yep, since this is green, so that's working. Let's save this. Let's go back here. Let's refresh this. Oh, I forgot to, I'm a dork. All right. Home page, just do this. Make this a page, home, this tab, yes, okay, cool. All right. Come on. Oh, coffee break. You guys, I love coffee. I don't think anybody realizes how much I love coffee. All right. I don't know if you saw that, but that also worked. It was trying to go back to the profile and then it changed to that hashtag, which was the home page. So that's working too. Let's try to go back to the home, the profile. See, it's not letting me go to dash profile anymore. Yes. Let's hide this. Let's see if we can hide this. Boom. Let's turn this on. This is a new feature. Go here. Hard refresh. Oh my goodness, it worked. Yes, winning the day. Okay, so we got sign up, login. Let's do login. Bob at bobbarker.com because Bob Barker's awesome. Remember to spay and neuter your pets. Bob Barker. Did I sign up as somebody else? Members. Or did I just get the password wrong? Yep. I just got the password wrong. So, Barker. I don't want to reset my password, so let's do this. Let's do another sign up. Bob and Bob2 at Barker. It's right there. Just click on it, Josh. Okay. Bob Barker. When I sign up the other one, I must have done the password wrong. Let's try this. Okay. No. Now we see this, but we still see the sign up. So we're going to remove this. We see log out. We don't see log in anymore because we're already logged in. So that's cool. And let's edit this. Yeah, Bend, Oregon, bio. Yeah, folks. I have a 12-year-old son. He's amazing. Let's use Mackenzie Child's Flamingo asset here. Let's submit that. Okay. So now profile updated. Let's just double check. I always like to double check things. It's important because sometimes you go live and you don't turn on your sound. Okay, so double check. We got everything in here. It's connected to Memberstack. It's amazing. Okay, I'm a dad, folks. Sweet. The only thing that's bothering me now is the sign up button. So let's try to hide this. Let's go to forms and fields, and then not links but attributes. If we go down here, you can also find this in attributes. I totally spelled that wrong. Attributes. You can find this in our help center under available attributes. Everything's in here as well, but for these purposes, let's just use the app. Okay. This content is visible when a member logs in. This content is hidden when a member logs in. So let's get this one. Let's go to the sign up button. And oh yeah, it just caught me off guard. That's weird. Okay, so copy this, paste this, get rid of this part. Boom. Save. Publish. Fingers crossed. I'm gonna check it on Molly real fast. Whoa. Okay. Nothing has been crashing so far. So let's go ahead and refresh this. Let's go to the home page. Profile. It's hard to refresh this maybe. Is this being, yeah, it's right there. Maybe I'm using the wrong one. Oh, see? That's what I'm doing wrong. I need to use this one. Hide content. Hidden content. Okay. That's what I did wrong. Hidden content. See if this works. Fingers crossed. I think this, no, let's, for our last act, I feel like a magician. Last thing, let's make this image over here that Mackenzie Flamingo image. That's what we'll do if this next thing works. Go here. Let's try to refresh this. Profile. This is working, right? Data, image, content, hidden content. All right, let's figure this out. Content ID, hide for all active members. That's what I'm doing wrong. Image content, this, which is image content. That's the one I see. You guys, why didn't you tell me? Sometimes it's just one of those days. Test this again. Yes. Alrighty. So homepage. I can remove this now. Profile's working. I can edit. You are my hero, Molly. Submit that. Can close this now. You are my hero, Molly. Let's log out. Log in, sign up. Yes! Winning. Okay, so let's log in again. Bob2 at barker.com. Whoa, not space. Barker.com. And then Bob Barker. I'm logged in. No. Sign up's gone. Login's gone. Profile logout is the only thing showing. Yes. Okay, so let's just do this real fast. And Memberstack. I just think this is the coolest. Okay, so we got the bio, email, blah, 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 image URL. That's the last thing. Let's turn this into the Flamingo. Mackenzie, you are loved. Okay, so how are we gonna do this? First, we need to go to the profile page. And I believe I can. Let's test this real fast. I believe I can just hide this now because it has a starting initial state. I believe I can just do this. Let's just see if this still works. I believe I can do this. I might have to just like hide it and then show it when I'm done, but we'll see. Okay, that's doing that. Let's hard refresh this just to make sure. Ooh. Profile. You guys. It's working. Okay. Now we need to take this and does that work? I've never done this before, to be honest, for the image. So let's see if we can. What? Image tag. Okay. Data image field ID. Okay, that's here. Let's try this out. I honestly haven't tried this out yet. Okay, so data image member image URL. Holy moly. If this works, you guys, I might just start dancing. I don't know if this is gonna work though, so we'll see. We'll see. If not, I'll just do some HTML. If it doesn't work. Hallelujah. Okay. Oh, that was loud. You guys, I'm sorry. Sorry. Ta-da! Go back here. Go to profile. Y'all, I think we have completed this. I know this was dirty, rough, didn't prepare. I literally had a sheet of paper with a modal on it. That's it. If you want to see something that we can build on Fridays or have any questions, please go to our community. First, you have to log in. But once you log in, if you go to MAN Office, here's where we're at right here, right now. Oh, it looks like there's a whole bunch of stuff. I need to go through there and read them. I will answer and reply to everybody as soon as I'm done here. If you have any future ideas, you can also post them in, I think, product updates I posted, and then office hours, and then leave a comment here. And we'll get to you. We want to do this every Friday. This is just an experiment right now. This is like a test for every Friday in February. Today, it's February, right? February, yes. And if it goes well, we'll just start continuing this every Friday. 8 to 8:30 PST time. See you soon, or see you there. Later, alligators.